Welcome to a realistic day in the life of a 17-year-old entrepreneur who simply sells products online and also has an agency on the side doing over 5 figures per month in revenue. So today I woke up at around 10, got ready, had a shower and then did some work. So the time's 11:30, I've just finished a bit of work, woke up at around 10, and you don't need to be waking up at 6 a.m. All these entrepreneurs that post these day in their life, they're like, I'll get up at 4 a.m, I'll shower, all that stuff. Sure, it can be productive, some people find it productive. I just would rather sleep, go to sleep whenever I want, wake up whenever I want. Then I'm energized for the day. Now I'm ready for my day ahead. Got a couple of meetings here in Sofia actually today, a couple of coffees that I do need to go to. Obviously I'll try to record as much as possible, but overall, as I said, it's going to be a pretty chill day, nothing much is going to be going on, but it's just a realistic day in my life with me working, etc. And obviously I don't want to talk into numbers, how much I'm making, how much my agency's doing, but at the minute we are doing 5 figures per month with the agency and other things as well. Obviously not profit, but very decent. That's how I'm just chilling here for a couple of days with my friend, just relaxing. Overall having a holiday, you could say, but obviously I am preparing, I was born and stuff like that. But besides the point, it's just good to get out the country on there, good to change the environment and be in a different place. Because for me personally, working here, I just find it so relaxing, so nice. Perfect weather, perfect AP. Just what more could you want? Good working environment, good hotels, etc. So yeah, you guys will see some content, so enjoy. You can see here, if I go to my recent orders, you can see this is all the orders that I've received in literally just the past couple of days while traveling, whilst doing whatever. And that is the best part about selling on social media. It doesn't have to be through TikTok Shop, just in general selling, because I can be on a flight, sleeping, and still be making money, still be printing. So just before breakfast, I'm answering any messages I need to answer that are urgent. I'm also setting out tasks that need to be done for today and have to be completed.
So in business this year, what I've learned is you need to simply take risks. And it sounds simple, but you lose 100% of the shots you don't take. Taking risks is where the opportunity comes. That's where you get those business deals, those connections, etc. So taking things that you may see as risks later on in the future could pay off. So that's my best advice. Just take risks, look for opportunity, and you'll see the money will start coming to you, business will start coming to you.
So just walking over to breakfast from the apartment, you can see Bulgaria, Sofia is very nice. The weather was perfect this day and you couldn't ask for anything better.
So for someone just starting out in business, especially in 2025, I'd recommend selling products either just online, so TikTok Shop or e-commerce, Shopify, etc. Why? Because you target loads of people, you can sell to loads of people around the world, but this is where selling something niche comes in handy. People that sell weird things like lights, sockets, end up making the most amount of money because it's super niche. But with e-com, with selling products online, you're selling 24/7 around the entire world. So the amount of money you can make is infinite. And you saw the orders that I showed earlier, that's all while sleeping, all while I didn't really do anything, I'm sleeping. There's no other business that can allow that, and that's where the real money is. Selling online and setting up a proper business, because once you do it once, all you need to do is just send traffic to that website. Once you've made the website, added the products, etc., all you need to do is just get enough eyes on your website and you're going to get sales. It's that simple. So that would be my recommendation. Look to sell products online at a mass and at a large scale, but to a niche group of people, because that's where the real money is and that's where you're going to get the most amount of conversions.
So after breakfast, me and my friend decided to go to the church. The weather was nice and obviously it's a Sunday. So just got back from the church. It's Sunday here, so I thought I'd just obviously head to the church. You guys would have seen it's pretty beautiful, it's pretty nice here in Sofia. Went to do a bit of shopping, just went around, got a coffee, got some food, etc. I'm back at the AP now. I'm just going to do some work, need to answer a few calls, and then we're going to head over to the sauna, the spa, do some work up there as well. And you guys see, my days are pretty chill. I'm being completely realistic. Most people are going to try and make their days seem really busy and stuff like that. I'm just being realistic. It's just super simple. But the simple days and constantly building on the simplicity is where you actually end up making money, because it's consistent. I'm being constantly consistent. Sure, sometimes it's boring, but when I'm changing the scenery like I am now, not in the UK, it's easier to work, it's more fun. And yeah, I've got a couple of calls I need to answer now. Again, I'll go into later in the video exactly what I do more in depth. But yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Drop a comment if you've made it up to here so far. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys soon. So here I'm at a hotel called Grand Hotel Millennium. They've got a super nice skyline view, which you guys will see. Very nice spa. I spend a lot of my time here for meetings, answering calls, just doing work overall. It's a very good place to be if you're trying to be productive. So this is the beauty of selling products online. So look, I'm here chilling, enjoying the view. You can see all these sales I've got today, and the time is currently, we'll go over to here, time is currently 4 p.m.
So I've been awake for around 6 hours, and these are the sales I've managed to achieve just by simply selling products online. Remember, I'm doing this to showcase things to the members that we have inside of the mentorship, not even for myself. Sure, I'm making money off this, but it's mainly just so they can copy my content style. So yeah.
You can see this spa is absolutely amazing. They've got everything here, hot tubs, everything for you to just chill, relax.
So at the minute, for those wondering basically what I do, at the minute what I'm doing, mainly what my main focus is in, and what you guys have seen me doing, is essentially we're just building out a team of people who are going to be basically just absolute warriors at TikTok Shop. The A players, we want them, and that's what we're building people up to be. Then we're taking those people, getting equity in e-com stores, for example, fitness products, healthcare products, etc. We're getting equity in those, me and my team. And then we're putting that army of people onto that product. We're going to be pumping out content for that business and essentially boosting their sales. That's the sort of business that I'm in at the minute. That's what I'm building out at the minute. Join my free Telegram if you want more information. I'll be giving out more information on there. The agency that I run as well, it's a really specific agency, but it does very, very well, does very good numbers. So if you're interested in that as well, if you want more information, completely free, join my free Telegrams, link it below. I'll be talking about it there more in depth. But with TikTok Shop at the minute, the way the algorithm is pushing out your content overall is for the best for me and my team, people involved who are in my circle. It's going to be pushing out your videos more, you're going to be getting more sales, and that's the algorithm at the minute. And overall, it's just better, and it's constantly getting better for everyone involved. So now would be the best time to get involved if you want to work with me and my team. So yeah, join the free Telegram for more information. And at the minute, I'm just at the spa with my friend, chilling. I'm going to do some work, probably answer a couple messages from the people in the group. And look at it, it's amazing. This is the life. So the time is just gone 7:15. I'm here at the spa just chilling, and one of my TikTok accounts I created just about a week ago is already at £100 in commission today from videos I didn't even make today, from videos from yesterday, day before. And I've closed a couple of deals today, closed just over 4 figures with my agency, all paid, all collected. And I haven't done much today, I've been chilling, and that's because I have the right systems in place. I have the right people in place to do certain things for me. All I have to do is manage it. It's very simple when you get to this level. And believe me, there's still so much more that I want to grow, so much more that I want to make, and so many more improvements that I'm going to be adding to my businesses. But it's very simple. This remote lifestyle allows you to be working at this, allows you to have this life. And I decided to go spa this morning. And I went later with my friend. It's that simple. I decided and I went. Why? Because I have the finances to do it, and it's all been paid off for by my businesses, the businesses that I'm running. So it's very simple stuff. And it doesn't have to be anything complicated. People overcomplicate business nowadays and make it seem like it has to be some next level product, new innovation. But no, you have to simply do what works, and that's what I've noticed. What works, if you just replicate it, you're also going to make it work. If you can improve it even better, it's that simple. So I just made it back to the apartment. I'm probably just going to charge my phone for a bit and then head out for dinner.
So after dinner, I came back to the same hotel with my friend just to have a tea. And this is the best part about having an online income. I can do this whenever I want. I can make money from anywhere, which means if I want to make money whilst having a nice view, I can afford to do that. So the time here was probably around 11 p.m. and I'm just leaving here just to go back to the apartment, and we stopped off on the church on the way back, which is where we finished the video.
So that concludes the day in the life video. You can see I'm just chilling at the church, gonna sit here, eat some snacks, and head back to the apartment and do it all again tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this authentic version of a day in the life. No waking up before 4 a.m, cold showers, none of that. This is authentic of what I did today and stuff like that. So hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to join my free Telegram if you want to see more about what I do. Appreciate the support. Drop a like, drop a sub. See you guys later.